In this video, we're going to show you how to factory reset your iPhone. Right, so you can erase or factory reset iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro right from your iPhone without a computer. So to begin, step 1 is open settings and go to general. Step 2, on the general page, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Step 3, on the next screen, tap on erase all content and settings option and then tap on continue. Last step is enter your iPhone's passcode and follow the rest of the on-screen instructions, and it will bring you to your factory reset process. It's going to take a bit of time, depending on how old or if your iPhone is damaged, because some people do drop it or, not, take care of it, even though it's a very new model. It's going to take a bit of time. And then afterwards, you can just, have your iPhone 15 good as new. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.